Historically, scholars focused on the dark side of groups. That is, they researched the negative characteristics of groups, such as low productivity, conflict, and violence, in an attempt to address these problems. It is only recently that experts have begun to highlight the more positive characteristics of groups. Many scholars now agree that humans and other animals have an innate desire to interact and form relationships with other people. It's important to recognize this negative bias toward groups as you continue to learn more about how they operate. Groups influence their members and other groups in many ways, and we will learn about some of these processes throughout the course. For now, let's consider a few sources of group influence. First, compare the productivity of groups and individual members. In some situations, groups are able to complete tasks that individuals alone cannot complete. Imagine trying to play a team sport like soccer without a team. It's impossible. In other situations, processes like groupthink and social loafing impair performance and prevent the group from reaching its full potential. In addition, membership in a group can impact how we see ourselves. Our social identity includes the perceptions about ourselves that are based on our relationships and interactions with other people. You may think of yourself as a friend, family member, or employee. These perceptions exist because of your membership in groups. We also develop a sense of who we are by comparing ourselves to other people. Finally, groups can and do influence how we behave. For instance, a friend may try to persuade us to change a bad habit, or a coworker's bad mood might put us in a bad mood too. Lewin's field theory suggests that our behavior, B, is a function of the interaction between our personal characteristics, P, and the social environment, E. That is, we behave differently in different situations, and the people around us play a role in how we act. When we go to work or school, we often conform to social norms, arrive early, dress professionally, and do not interrupt others. These rules dictate what behaviors are appropriate for a given situation. Every group has its own set of norms, and these expectations influence our interactions with other group members. In these lectures, you will learn about many of the processes that impact how individuals behave in groups.